In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Bookmap for free. Bookmap is a powerful order flow and heat map platform, and while the full professional version is paid, there are legit ways to explore it at no cost. I'll walk you through what you can use for free, what you'll get, and where the limitations are so you know exactly what to expect. First, start with the free digital plan. Head over to the Bookmap website, create an account with your email, download the software, and log in. By default, your account launches on the digital tier, which costs nothing. This gives you access to the core platform, including the basic heat map and liquidity tools that visualize where orders are clustering. You'll also get real-time cryptocurrency data from supported exchanges like Binance and Bitfinex, so you can see live order flow without paying. If you want to look at stocks or futures, you can, but keep in mind that data there is delayed on the free plan. That delay is fine for learning the interface, testing layouts, and understanding how the heat map behaves, but it's not intended for live intraday decision-making. A quick tip: after you log in, confirm your data connections and select a crypto symbol to see the platform in action immediately. Next, check out Bookmap Web when it's available. This is an in-browser version that sometimes opens for free access to crypto markets. There's no installation required. Just sign up with your email and launch it in your browser. It's a convenient way to get a feel for Bookmap's charts and order flow tools, especially if you're on a device where you can't install software. Availability can vary, so if you don't see it right away, keep an eye on their site for access windows. Finally, consider using a free trial to sample premium features. While the digital plan is free forever, higher tiers like Digital Plus, Global, and Global Plus are paid. Bookmap often offers limited-time trials, such as a 14-day trial, so you can test advanced indicators, multi-symbol or multi-book views, and access to markets beyond crypto. This is the best way to learn whether the premium toolset fits your workflow before you commit. Be sure to check the trial terms and set a reminder so you can decide before it renews. To set expectations, here's what isn't truly free: full real-time depth of market for stocks and futures, professional add-ons, multi-symbol simultaneous views, and advanced indicators and trader tools. Those live behind the paid Global or Global Plus plans. Follow these options to explore Bookmap at no cost, build your skills, and upgrade only if and when you need more.